Hi folks, we're going to show you the easiest way to perfectly align two guide rails for making precise long cuts. You're going to need a guide rail connector, a straight edge, and very importantly, a 1/16 inch washer. This last item will help align the two guide rails. POWERTEC connectors feature a keystone design with angled surfaces that automatically centers your rails as you tighten them. This eliminates shifts and misalignments, keeping your rails perfectly straight. To begin, loosely insert the connectors into both rails. Now for the critical part. Place the 1/16 inch washer between the rails to create a slight gap. This compensates for any factory imperfections, ensuring your alignment remains accurate. Next, flip the rails over and tighten one connector to establish a secure anchor point. Finally, use your straight edge as a guide to carefully tighten the second connector. Precision here is key to achieving flawless results. Perfectly aligned guide rails that deliver exceptional performance and accuracy every time. This connector works seamlessly with all POWERTEC guide rails, including our guide rails compatible with saws from Makita, Festool, DeWalt, and Milwaukee. Be sure to select the correct POWERTEC guide rail for your track saw. And as always, work safe, folks.